Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 11i and let me share with you how to show emoji suggestions on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and here let's scroll down to find additional settings. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on the manage keyboards option, which should be in input methods. Now let's enter the keyboard because probably it is your current keyboard and tap on text correction. As you can see here, we've got the option show emoji suggestions. So let's tap on the switcher here in order to activate that. And from now on, your device will suggest you some emojis whilst typing. Obviously, you can turn it off the same way. So actually, this is it. This is how to show emoji suggestions in your Xiaomi Mi 11i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. And if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.